Okay, so moving on to the fourth and last query of this quiz. Okay, yeah, that's perfect. I was wondering if there are more additional questions at the bottom. There usually are for like multiple choices, stuff like that. Excuse me. Here we are. So determine the number of times a particular channel was used in the web events for each region. Your final table should have three columns: region name, channel, and sorry, I'm going to flip it over to ERD. Region name, channel, and the number of occurrences. Order your table with the highest number of occurrences first. So determine the number of times a particular channel was used for each region. Hmm. This is gonna be a very fun join because we are basically gonna have to go 1, 2, 3, 4 to pretty much get everybody else in lined up there. The column names are gonna be region names, so region name is over here. Number of occurrences, yes, the occurrences of basically a particular channel was used for each region. So, just trying to think in terms of how that's gonna look. Order your. Okay, so here we are. Let's start off with web events again. Web events. Okay, join on. Join accounts on w.account ID and okay, and then we're gonna go ahead and join on the sales rep. Join on. Okay, and s.id equal on the account dot sales ID and join and joining on region. This is going to be R and then on dot. Okay, and then region dot ID. That's pretty much our whole data set. Now we are going to go ahead and group that data set by how we want to see the records. And what we want to do is we want to group it by each region. So we're going to do group by regions appear in R dot name, and let's go ahead. We'll worry about the order by just a moment. So select region names, R dot name. It's going to be region as the column name itself. Channel. Channel. Okay. And R dot name is going to be regions. W dot channels. Okay. And the number of occurrences, right? So number of occurrences is going to be, I guess I could just try all this time. And let's go ahead and do order by. Order by number of hives. Okay. Yeah, we could just do number of number of channel use. Okay, then we can simply just, I want to see if I can just use this alias and put this in the order by and see if it works or not. Try something out different every time, right? Just learn. Here we are. And let's go up. Right. Of course it doesn't. Of course. So we have determine the number of times a particular channel was used. Okay, yeah, because we're grouping by the region and as well as the channel. That's right. grouping it by the region, and within the region, each region could have used multiple channels, so that's why it makes sense why Midwest is appearing multiple times. And then the channel use itself, and we're just gonna go ahead and order it by that. Excuse me. Northeast, southeast, west, Midwest, and then depend. So technically, the region is only going to repeat the number of times the channels were used by that region. So if there are four channels and the region used four channels, so we would only expect to see Northeast appear four times in the whole table. One, two, three, four, but of course there could be more. I haven't taken account to all the channels that exist there. Perfect. And that's that. Thank you.